In this video, let's take a closer look at Rocket AI. In order to do so, here we are at rocketai.io. And what is Rocket AI all about? Well, you can power your brand with AI, increase sales with better visuals and copywriting that perfectly captures your unique brand style. And you can come here to start creating now. Boost your productivity. Generate high quality photo shoots of your products with different backgrounds to showcase on your store or ad campaign. Use your imagination to let AI generate for you hundreds of different product designs based on your product images. Use AI to generate new Instagram ads and social media posts tailored to your brands. You can come here and watch a video, get more information. One click to unlock the power of AI. Copy and paste your e-commerce product URL. Take a copy while we train your AI agent based on your e-commerce data. Click create to let the AI agent create ads, product images, description, and copy for your e-commerce. For pricing, we have the basic plan for $19 a month. You get 3 AI agents with a custom trained model, 3 AI design studios with custom models, 300 AI images at 4K generation, and 90 AI prompt assists. Then we have the NAN, which is 10 AI agents with the custom trained model, 10 AI design studios with custom models, 1,000 AI images, 4K generation, 300 AI prompt assists, priority support, priority access to new features, and you can come here and click to learn more. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.